Hey guys, how guys doing? Happy Friday, everybody. Happy weekend, guys. Vlog for today. I'm so excited because we're flying to Norway. Yes, guys, I'm with my friends, my sisterets. Yes, and you will see them later. So just stay tuned.
Solos, tú y yo, por fin. Hey baby, dame luz, haciendo un tattoo que diga yo te quiero.
Guys, we're at the plane right now. Hi! Hello. Kami po yung mga nipple babies. Nipple. Nipple baby. Landed, guys. Oh, yung mga suso ng mga nipple babies.
Kaya ikaw na dapat sumunod ka na.
Malapit na. Welcome to Norway! Guys, naghahanap na ng maiinom si Madam. Ang ating isang nipple baby. Charan! Welcome to Norway! Alak. May alak, may valor. Sarap.
Masarap.
So, namimili po si Madam Nipple Bibi. Ano yan, Zay? Masarap ba yan? Masarap ng iyong nipple.
Titignan natin. Okay.
Hey guys, we're at the room now. This is our hotel room. Uy, kabongga ba sa ano? Paano ba to? Pwede na kayo pumasok, mga baliw. Oh my God, hindi ko alam paano pa-andarin yung ilaw. Tada! Welcome to our room. Tada! Ay! May view pa kami. Tada. Bongga kayo dyan. Pwede ka magpa-jar-jar dito. Charap. Bongga kayo, guys! Welcome to Norway! Ayan na nga, guys. Umuulan dito sa Norway. Oh my God! Bongga kayo si Kuya. Ang pogi naman ni Kuya. Oh, diba? Sa Kapanon. Punta kami doon. Hindi namin alam kung kainan yan dyan or what. Basta gutom na talaga kami. Kain. Kaloka. Hey! Asa na kami? guys, we're at the restaurant now. Waiting for our order. Waiting for our order. We're so hungry. This is the restaurant. Pudang.
Ayaw mo anong beef eh.
We're done eating, guys. We're so nakakaloka. Ubus talaga siya, guys. Ubus lahat. Walang natira. Diba?
Standing.
Busog much. Morning, guys. First day in Oslo, Norway. We're going for breakfast. Let's go! Breakfast, guys. Hey guys, we're going out now and we're gonna explore the Oslo city. So just stay tuned. Ay! Ready na po ang mga madam. Madam, ready na po ba tayo?
Lalaban na!
Oh my God! Ito ang pinakamaganda talaga, Miss Poland. Miss Poland, ready ka na? Ready ka na bang tumuli?
Oo, kanina pa dahil hindi naman ako nakatulog kasi ang lakas mo maghilig.
Sorry na, ma. Yeah, we're ready, guys. Galit na galit si mama. Hey, guys. So, today, we're at the park. Nilipat na pala si Rizal dito, guys. Namalayan nyo ba yun? Nandito na pala si Rizal. Kakaloka, diba? So, anyway, we're at the Norway Park right now and we're going to eat and waiting for our friends. So, yeah, just stay tuned. Hey guys, we're going to somewhere. They said it's like a naked park. I don't know what they said, but it's amazing. The weather is not that good, but laban lang, guys. Whew. So nice, amazing. Guys, ang saya dito. Ang daming titi eh.
Sabihin mo yung ano.
Ayan. Titi. Ang daming titi, guys. Anong pangalan nito?
Vinjilande.
Ha?
Vinjilande Park.
Benjilandi Park? Benjilandi Park or Naked Park daw. To, whatever. Saya. Ang daming titi. Charot. Yung lalaki yung tingin ng tingin yung may titi ba yun?